I just found something in my mouth. What is it?
It's something white.
Nasty. You have blonde hairs. Isn't that so ironic?
I do.
Hi. Remember this? Remember this? Remember this? You never put that in your video.
Let me get with ya and take your picture. Did it take? No.
Oh, look it! Look at this. She got a beard, you guys. She got a bird. Look at that girl. Oh, dang. Chubby Dong. This is Chubby Dong.
Hey, Allie.
What?
Allie, I know this is you.
Who?
Allie.
Who's Allie?
Bye.
No, wait. This is Allie. Just kidding.
What?
This is Allie. I was just joking.
I know.
Yeah.
It sounded like you.
Yeah. I suck at prank calling.
Yes, you do. I knew it was you from, like, the very first thing you said.
Yeah.
What are you doing?
Just sitting.
By yourself?
Yeah.
You're prank calling by yourself.
Yeah, I got bored.
You're such a loser.
Yeah, I know.
I love you.
What are you doing?
I was just laying in bed, drinking some Coke.
I like Coke.
Me too. We have a snow day
Yeah.
today
That's
and
cool.
tomorrow and yesterday. Sucks. I can't go anywhere.
I'm sorry.
It's okay.
Come to my house.
Okay. We just drive down there 8 hours.
Yeah.
What did you do today?
Just went outside. I ate some chicken.
What?
I ate some chicken.
You ate some chicken?
Yeah.
Okay. That's cool.
Yeah. I jumped on the trampoline.
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Did you go to school?
Yeah.
Okay. You're acting weird.
Why?
Because you're like, yeah.
Well, I'm just bored and I don't have anything to say.
Oh, well. Okay.
Hey, I gotta
Hey, Allie.
go. I gotta go.
What? What?
I gotta go.
You gotta go?
Yeah.
Why?
Because my mom's calling me.
What did you say?
This isn't Allie.
Oh no! I guess her mom's dead. I don't know.
There's terrible.
I'm not Allie.
This isn't Allie. Oh, the camera's.
Hello?
Hey, Rachel.
What?
Hey, Rachel.
This isn't Rachel. No, it's not.
You did like to tell it to you.
I'm just kidding. It's me. Hey!
Hey.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Yeah. Do you have any condoms for me and my boyfriend?
Yes, we do sell condoms.
What kind?
Yeah, there's different kinds.
Could you name the best?
No, I'm not over in pharmacy.
Do you know from experience?
No, I don't.
Oh, okay. That sucks for you.
No, actually, it sucks for you.
Okay, well, bye.
Brack.
Is this Brooke?
Yeah.
You need to leave me alone.
What is this?
This is Christine.
Who?
Christine! We're calling him again.
Hey, is this the Sonic and Jackson?
Yes, ma'am, it's one of Sonic and Jackson.
Which one is it?
This is the one down on the top one.
Okay, because do you guys have a bathroom that's open to the public?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because I'm about to drive by there and I really have to tinkle.
Yes, ma'am, we have one.
Okay, thank you so much.
Not a problem.
That was good.